How to allow mentions from everyone on Instagram feeds. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to allow mentions from everyone. It's easy. All you have to do first, open Instagram feeds, and now once you're here, go to your profile and then click these two lines here in the top corner and then go to privacy. Now once you're here, just go to mentions, and that's it. Now all you have to do, just click everyone and go back. And now let's make sure, and as you see it will be saved. Now just go back and that's it. You can change it again and turn it off if you want, whenever you want. And that's it for today's video. It's easy, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.